The app that I'm about to introduce to you is a game changer. All you have to do is you install it, and as it's running on your phone, it will actually be earning some revenue. If you're a content creator, it's gonna be a plus. If you're a crowd puller, it's gonna be a plus, because for each referral that you make, you earn 0.2 cents. Imagine if you can put in thousands of referrals, you'd actually be making a lot of money, right? Cool, that's how it is. Now, to those of you who are not content creators, you don't need to worry, because even when you're not the content creator, you can still earn. All you need to do is you install the app and you keep it running. Hi, this is Elisha, and I'm a content creator, a YouTuber, a Facebooker. So if you're watching me from Facebook, make sure that you follow me so that you don't miss on any content that I happen to post on different earning apps. If you're on YouTube, make sure that you hit that subscribe button so that you're always up to date. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So now, let's jump in. Yeah, so for you to get kick-started, just make sure that you click the link in the description section. If you're on YouTube, you have to click at the bottom of the video that you're watching right now, where it reads more, after the title of the video. If you're on Facebook, you have to click where it reads more on top of the video that you're watching, and everything will be spread. This is where you're going to land. You will punch in 1 or 2, and then the main page will load, just as you can see it. Let me orient you. When you click in the bottom right, you will actually access your profile. Okay, so here, let's say edit profile, customize your profile your way. Then the second one, get special reward. You can get your reward from here. And then if you want to contact them, that is on Telegram, you'll be able to reach out to them. The privacy policy, you can read through them, terms and conditions. Then there's a tutorial. If you want to delete an account, that's the last option. Then when you click the money bag here, which is here, you'll be able to withdraw. I only had to run this app for a few minutes, and I found these cents accumulated. Say if you want to keep it running for over a period of time, like 1 week, obviously you would actually walk away with something huge. Okay, so if you want to withdraw, you simply click withdraw, and boom, here we go. These are the methods. Oh my god. These are the methods which are available. There's Payee, there's UPI, then there's Binance. If I were to advise you, I would actually advise you to go by Binance. I've done so many videos on how to withdraw from any platform to Binance. So in no time, when I happen to reach the threshold, I would do a demonstration so that you get to learn how to withdraw. So there's Binance, which means that you guys can actually withdraw, and I've been doing so many videos on how to do that. Now, with the guarantee that you're able to withdraw whatever earnings you're going to have, we can go ahead and create our accounts, right? Okay, so now let me click here where there's an icon of 2 hands shaking. If you want to refer people, all you have to do is you click in the bottom left corner, and you're gonna see your referral link, and that's the one that you're gonna send to your friends. And here's the thing, when you build a team, you'll be walking away with a commission of 20% on everything that those people you're going to refer will be earning. That's how cool it is, right? So now if you want to get kick-started so that you begin to earn, you simply tap here in the middle, and then you click start. So it's loading. So say add app store needed to start session. So you click start. Now it's now running. Okay, as you can see in the bottom right, there is 0000. Then I'm in level 1. So after 4 minutes, my account will actually be credited with something. and after that session ends, another session will actually commence. As simple as that. So this is all you have to do. For you as a content creator, after you create a video on this one, you can actually submit it so that you are credited with an incentive. Then every week they give a bonus of $25 randomly. They just pick those who are bringing in more users and they actually reinvest. So this is how simple this one is. There you have it, folks. Make sure you like the video so that the algorithm might push this video to the wider audience. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. After you earn as much as you can, get back here. Make sure that you leave a comment. Let some person know that you are earning real cash.